Ethiopia is ramping up its efforts to fight COVID-19 by launching a 6-month campaign urging people to take the wearing of masks more seriously. The government is targeting public places as part of its campaign. CGTN's Coletta Wanjohi reports from Addis Ababa.
Ethiopia's Great Run, unlike many other high-profile races around the world, went ahead as planned on Sunday. Fewer people participated, but there was another big difference. Everyone was wearing masks.
Masks are very important to prevent the spread of the virus, and I also like the fact that they demarcated the different starting groups in color codes. So there was not, at any one point, there was no large crowd assembled anywhere.
Mask is very important for all because there is recently COVID-19 already expanded so highly. First of all, you see South Africa also high today.
This mask culture is what the government now wants to push for the next 6 months. Although the wearing of masks was made mandatory in Ethiopia early on in the pandemic, people never took wearing them seriously enough, especially outside Addis Ababa.
Some people are lazy and don't take their health as an important thing.
Some people doesn't see the effect of COVID, the effect maybe as close as to their family, or they didn't see. Even here in Africa, it doesn't spread just like the Europeans and the Westerns. That's why some people are not wearing masks, but I advise them to wear masks.
As Ethiopia steps up its own public health measures, the Africa CDC is warning the rest of Africa to take note.
One message, that observation that is emerging across the visits we are conducting across the continent is people that are not masking enough. And in some settings, absolutely, it seems like they are not masking at all. And that is extremely dangerous.
For the next 6 months, the Ministry of Health here hopes that people in learning institutions, business enterprises, and in public areas like bus parks will wear their masks without fail. As of 10th January, the Ministry of Health had reported over 12,000 active cases of COVID-19 with over 1,900 deaths.
Ethiopia is one of the few countries in the continent that the Africa CDC says is currently registering relatively lower cases of infections. However, the government here says it needs to keep this campaign alive in order to prevent a possible second wave. Coletta, Wanjohi, CGTN in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.
Algeria's President Abdelmadjid Tebboune